Hello, first graders. It's me, Miss Ott. I am so excited for our first ever virtual classroom lesson. I miss you guys so much, and I wish that I could just reach through my computer and give you guys a nice big hug. But since we can't do that, since we're not at school right now, I'm going to give you a virtual high five. You ready? Woo! Nice job. And how about a fist bump? Alrighty, so we are going to be starting our second step lessons together. And you might have had some second step lessons last year when you were in kindergarten if you were at Elizabeth Lane. And if you weren't, then that's perfectly okay. We're going to be learning together. So you are going to be learning about feelings and how to get along with other people. And we're going to start out with learning how to be a learner. So we're going to start with a game, but first of all, go ahead and point to where your brain is. That's right, your brain is in your head. Your brain controls your body and your thinking, and it gets smarter every time you make it work hard. So let's start by playing a game to build the parts of our brain that pay attention, remember things, and help you follow the rules. The name of the game is My Turn, Your Turn, and it's pretty simple. Basically, I'm going to say my turn, and then I'm going to touch two different parts of my body. But it's not your turn yet. You have to wait until I say your turn, and then you go. And basically, you're just going to copy what I did. So, what do you do first? That's right, you wait and you listen and you watch and you think about what you're going to do next. And then when I say your turn, you're going to copy what I just did. Okay, are you ready? All right, my turn. Your turn. Good job. Okay, my turn. Oh, don't go too fast. Okay, now it's your turn. Nice. My turn. Your turn. Great job. My turn. Your turn. All right, last one. Let's try 3 in a row. Okay, my turn. Your turn. Nice job. So now take a second to think. What did you do during that game to help you be successful and follow along? Some of you might be thinking you were paying attention, you were watching, you were really listening, and you were waiting, and you were thinking about the directions I gave you at the beginning of the game. If you said any of those things, give me a thumbs up. Okay. So at school, we do lots and lots of listening to help us learn and be successful. Here's someone who will help you learn what to do when you are listening. Hold on, I'm going to bring my little friend out here. Hey guys, it's me, Snail. Hey Snail, how are you? Thanks for coming on our first virtual video. A virtual video? Are there people watching? Oh my gosh. Hello there. Okay. Oh, what are we working on today? Okay, Snail, so these are our first graders and we are helping them learn how to be good listeners. So do you think you could help the class remember our 4 listening rules? Sure, of course I can do that. I love listening rules. Okay, so I'll say the rules and then you repeat them. Sound good? Sounds really good. Okay, Miss Ott, go ahead. Okay, so our first rule, Snail, is eyes watching. Eyes watching. Okay. You see my eyes right there? Okay, they're watching you now. Okay, Snail. So eyes watching. Our second rule is ears listening. Oh, ears listening. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. This one's a little hard for you, Snail, but our third rule is voice quiet. Oh, okay. Okay, and the last rule, rule number 4, is body still. Body still. All right, let's try that one more time, okay? Snail, are you ready? I'm ready. Okay, so eyes watching, ears listening, voice quiet, and body still. Body still. Wow, there are so many jobs for all the different parts of your body when you're listening. I just can't even believe that. Well, thank you so much for helping our class today, Snail. Do you want to say goodbye to our first grade friends before you go and take a little nap? Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, goodbye, first graders. I hope I get to see you again soon. Mwah! All right. I'm going to go ahead and put Snail away for now, but he will be visiting us again another day, okay? All right. So we are going to listen to just a short story and think about our listening rules. So go ahead and look right here at this picture. This is Ms. Marquez's first grade class. She is reading a book to a group of students. This is Will. He's doing something different from the rest of the students. Do you see Will right here? What is Will doing? Yeah, you're right. It looks like he's talking to his friend. He's even touching his friend and looking the wrong way. Will is supposed to be listening to Miss Marquez. Is he listening? Nod or shake your head. No, he's not. Well, how can you tell? You're right. He's not looking at her and he's talking. Nod or shake your head if you think the other children are following the listening rules. Yeah, they look like they are. How can you tell? That's right. They're looking at the teacher, their bodies are still, and they're not talking. Put your thumbs up if you had the same idea. Most of the children in Miss Marquez's class are following the listening rules. Rules help you know how to act so everyone can learn. Let's say the listening rules together. Can you remember them? If you don't remember, you can go ahead and look behind me because they're right up there, okay? All right, so we're going to say the rules together, but let's also do the actions so that can help us remember even better. Ready? Go. Eyes watching, ears listening, voice quiet, and body still. Good job. When one person is talking and everyone else follows the listening rules, what happens? You're right. Everybody can hear the person that's talking and we can all be better learners. So for example, if your teacher's talking, it's really important for you to follow the listening rules so that you can hear what she's saying and you can learn. So now we're going to play my turn, your turn again, but with the listening rules. When it's my turn, I will just say a rule, and when it's your turn, you will just show the action for that rule. Remember, wait for me to say your turn before you move. Go ahead and stand up. All right, you in your spot? You're not going to run into anything. Okay, here we go. My turn. Eyes watching. Your turn. Good job. Okay. Ears listening. Your turn. Did you wait until I said your turn that time? I know it's a really hard game. Okay, let's try again. Voice quiet. Your turn. Nice. Body still. Good job. Okay. Now I'm going to do a different order and see how fast you can keep up. Ready? It's going to be challenging. Okay. My turn. Voice quiet. Your turn. My turn. Body still. Your turn. My turn. Eyes watching. Your turn. My turn. Ears listening. Your turn. All right, great job. Now, for our last little part of this game, I'm going to do the action and then you guys tell me what it is. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. My turn. Your turn. 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 Okay, you guys did a really good job with that. I could tell that you were using our listening rules in order to play that game and pay attention. So give yourself a pat on the back. Well done. Nice job. So today we learned all of our listening rules, all 4 of them, and those are going to help us to be better learners. So who can remember from the very beginning of the video what happens to our brain when we make it work hard? Do you remember? That's right, it gets smarter and stronger. Show me what you look like when you're following the listening rules. Eyes watching, ears listening, voice quiet, and body still. Great job. By following our listening rules, we can show respect to the speaker and our classmates. All right, guys, great job today. I'm so glad that we were able to make our brains smarter and work hard together today. So I will see you guys again tomorrow. I'm really, really excited, and I hope that everyone will join us. Bye-bye.